Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. And yes, that is my FTX Rokatan. Yes, it has been repaired at last, and I've got it out with me here at E.A.S.T today. I'm over in the bashing area which is being run by Incisor, and I'm going to give this a hoon around. So don't forget to do the usual things, like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see what we get footage wise today. As you can see in front of me, I have my FTX Rokatan. I broke a load of the body posts last time I was out with it, and this coming weekend is E.A.S.T. I've been meaning to do this job for a while, which is to replace the body posts. So you can buy two things. You can buy a set of replacement body posts, which comes like these, but I advise everybody to buy the whole kit, which comes with replacement front and rear chassis mounts, the whole lot, because if we look here, that's the front end mounted. It's the only post I didn't break, and I've taken the screw out, so I can pull that out. This is the original, okay? This is the replacement. They've beefed it up considerably, so you have to, and they've also, this is the replacement, this is the back one, this one is quite flexible, this one is a lot stronger, so they've beefed everything up. So I advise people to buy the kit. I'm going to get it all installed because these are slightly bigger nubbins on the top. Going to have to make bigger holes in the Rokatan body for that, so I'll get my body shell hole cutter out and get that done. But I'm going to get this done, get it all fitted up, so the Rokatan is ready to go for E.A.S.T. Some time later, and we've got it all done. I've done drift stitches on the front here to hold the body together. Body posts are in, supports are glued onto the rear. Let's get this off one-handed. So chunkier, that's all done, fitted, rear's all fitted. I have supported the holes, front and rear, taped the rear bumper, and then you can see that I gaffer taped the front before putting the stitches in. So next footage you should see of this should be at E.A.S.T, and we'll move it on till there. Right guys, so oh, grab me that. I'm here with Ken.
Right.
He's going to film for me, so if it's rubbish it's down to him. So bashing area here is quite good. We'll see how the Rokatan runs. Hopefully I won't break it too badly, but I have talked to Tommy RC earlier today. The FTX Apache is the same chassis as this. It has different front and rear bumpers. It has different mounts and obviously different body, but they do a blue body, so I may splash out and get those to make this more of a basher and keep the Rokatan body for, you know, less high damage stuff and more drifty type stuff. So we'll see what we get. That's fine, just touch the screen. Typical Sharky driving, I managed to flip it already. When I did the upgrades, I did make a mistake and the dog bone slipped out, but let's see how we go on the more sort of smoothie bit. So. Perfect Mad Max, which is what it is. Hey Matthew, you've got a bit bigger tyres than me, you haven't broke it yet then?
No, Ryan's got a battery in it, so.
Looks to be a bit of a flatter area up here.
Yeah. So I'm going to try jumping towards us. Try it again. I think with the old body post would have given up by now.
Oh, are they that bad?
They're thin. I mean, I did break it having like flown it 40 metres long, 25 metres in, or 25 foot in the air. All good? How many minutes we're at?
4:51.
Okay. There's water over there. I don't really want to water, but those little lips there.
Oh, that would make a good jump coming back. If I come a bit closer.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, you're right. Do you want me to get down low so you can do a flyby? But fly by, Carl.
Yeah, I know. Good try.
We're at 9:30.
Bad night. Right folks, that's it for today. A lot of fun. I haven't broken anything, which is always good, and we'll see what we do with this one next and what sort of things. Drop us a comment on what you think I should do with it, what you'd like me to see me do with it, or do you think I should turn it into an Apache? Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Catch you all again soon.